Hi fellow bakers, hope you are ready with your bake kits. So today we will be making whole wheat muffins. In your bake kit, you would be finding a muffin premix, some brown sugar, choco chips, muffin liners and a measuring cup. Also there will be written instructions. Then you would also be needing some supplies from your own kitchen. That would be a mixing bowl, a whisk, spatula or any spoon would do that would help you to mix, ice cream scoop. Then you would need a baking tray for the muffins. In case you do not have a baking tray, you can use the bake and serve muffin liners. Additionally, you would need some oil. Here I am using olive oil. You can use any non-flavored oil. Vinegar. I am using apple cider vinegar, but you can use white vinegar as well. And some warm water. So let's get started. Now, using the measuring cup, we will measure water. Add it to our bowl. The water should be lukewarm such that when we dissolve the brown sugar in this, it dissolves in it. Now adding the brown sugar from the bake kit to this, stir it properly. Next we will add oil, 45 milliliter of oil, that is 3 tablespoons. Stir it. Next we will be adding the apple cider vinegar, half a tablespoon or 7.5 ml. Mix it properly. At this point, most of the sugar should have dissolved and you will have a brown syrup. Now we will add muffin premix. While we add this, make sure you add this in small batches and not all at once. So maybe 2 to 3 small batches. Add a little and mix in. Whenever you are mixing, please mix in only one direction. Some more. Mix it. Now the remaining. You can see almost all our ingredients have been added. Just a little mixing to be done and we are ready with the batter. So using a spatula from the sides, you can scrape the material. So our aim is here to remove any lumps. No need to overmix, just that there should be no lumps. don't need to go on mixing, just remove the lumps. Now what we are going to do is that we let this batter rest for 10 minutes. This is wheat, so it tends to absorb some moisture, so we will let it rest. In the meanwhile, what we are going to do is we will preheat our oven, set a timer for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So let's set our oven timers. In the meanwhile, we will prepare the muffin tray by placing the muffin liners. In case you are using the bake and serve liners, please oil them from inside and place them on any tray that is safe to be kept in the oven. It has been 10 minutes. The batter has rested. Give it one stir. You will see the batter must have thickened. Add in the choco chips. Just keep a few to top the muffins. Mix it gently so that they are evenly distributed. Now we are ready to pour the batter in the muffin cups. So using the ice cream scoop or any spoon, we will equally divide the batter. Don't overfill. Maximum it should be till 3/4 capacity. If you overfill while baking, when it rises, it will spill out, especially if you are using the bake and serve type muffin liners. So after you have poured the batter, we will top these muffins with more choco chips. Now just tap the tray twice or thrice so that if there are any air bubbles, they are removed. We will place it in the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Muffins are ready. You can just place them over the cooling rack for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can have them warm. For storing, please let them cool first and then keep them in an airtight jar. This is how you can remove the muffins from the bake and serve type of muffin liners. Just unfold from the sides. And here you get your muffin. I hope you had a nice baking session and a yummy treat. Thank you.